Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel again. In today's video we are going to be baking chin, and these are the things on the table are the things I'm going to be using. First, I have my baking powder. I have my sugar, I have my milk, my 3 crown, I have my nutmeg, I have my knife to cut since I don't have a chin cutter. I have my pistol as my rolling pin. I don't have a rolling pin here. Then I have my eggs, my spoon for measurement, and my butter. So let's get right into the video. I have my flour here, so I'm going to be mixing with these 2 bowls. We're making a family chin. So first thing is to mix all the dry ingredients together, and we are going with the nutmeg.
Okay, that's it.
Sugar, the sugar depends on the quantity you want. People like sugar, and the next is the baking powder. This is the mix together with your hand.
Okay, let's mix together.
So the next thing is the butter. We are using the Simmers butter. Add it into the mixture and rub in with your hand until it's crumbly.
You know we never do you wrong. You know we never go there to catch some fun.
Add the butter and mix properly. Yeah. Can you see what the mixture looks like? This is his own and this is her own. So going to make a well inside the bowl. Make a well and pour in your egg into it. So the next thing is to add our milk into the mixture.
I know you love me tight. You can never play me a fool. Remember back days in times. Sweet memory we had for life. I gave you my heart and my soul. Kilo de tu fe fini lelo. Omi jembo lo to me. Oni te mi fe ayami. You know we never do you wrong. You know we never go there to catch some fun without you.
So we're going to add our water now. When you add the water, you mix.
You know I will never let you go. It's very risky. You know, no matter what they say, your matter is spiritually. I'm in love right there with you, my baby.
So we're transferring the dough on a clean surface. We're going to be using this table, and we've applied our flour on the table and cutting into sizes so that it will be easy for us to roll out and cut. As you can see, I've transferred to the table, and this table alone is what I use in baking. I use it in baking. Then I sprinkled floor on the table to avoid the dough sticking together. Mind you, I allowed this dough to settle for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm using my rolling pin to roll it out and cut to my preferable size and shape that I want. So these are the tray I'm putting the chin chin into.
You know we never do you wrong. You know we never go there to catch some fun without you. You know we never turn you down. You know anytime you're wrong, baby, I will say you right. Only tell me, Joe, my chef, me, oh, yeah, escape,
Shape of this chin chin and this one, the two different things, and it determines the way to fry it. You have to fry this one separately and this separately to avoid burning because it's different shape and size. After cutting into our preferable shapes, these are the chin chin into our preferable shapes, we transferred into this bowl, this tray pan, and we went ahead to add our groundnut oil into the frying pan and wait for it to heat. Then we're going to be frying this chin chin for 2 to 3 minutes.
Ooh, remember back dancing times.
So now we're putting in our groundnut oil to fry the chin chin.
You know we never do you wrong. You know we never go there to catch some fun
We're
without.
about adding the onion, and the reason why we're adding it is because we need the onion flavor.
I am me, Jowo. Oju amonwo, oju elayo mi. Oni temi, Jowo. Ma se fi mi sílẹ̀ lọ. I am me, Jowo. Oju amonwo, oju elayo mi. You know I will never let you go. It's very risky. You know no matter what they say, your matter is spiritually.
So guys, this is the outcome of my chin chin. Let me taste it. Even a diabetic patient can eat this because I love the sugar level. It's so the sugar is not too much. So guys, if you are staying close to me, come and take small chin chin. That's if you are staying close to me. Come and take chin chin. I will gladly give you. But if you are not close, don't worry, I'll keep it, or I'll make another one whenever you are around. So this is going to be the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.